Do you have questions about the reverse mortgage process? Hello, I'm John Thomas with Prime Residential Mortgage. I'm a licensed reverse mortgage loan officer, and I'm here to walk you through the reverse mortgage process and hopefully answer your questions. So first of all, you have to be 62 years or older in order to qualify for a reverse mortgage, and you can do that for a purchase or a refinance. So the first step in the process is you need to talk to a licensed reverse mortgage loan officer such as myself. If you have questions, you can always reach out to me at 302-703-0727, or you can find me online, PRMIloanapplication.com. Now, the first thing we're going to do is obviously figure out, are you doing a refinance of a house you currently own, or do you want to do a reverse mortgage for a purchase? So on the refinance, we just need some basic information, and we can run scenarios for you. We don't even have to check your credit. So the basic information is we'll need the date of births of everyone going on the loan and any spouses. We'll need the property address you want to refinance. We'll need to know the homeowner's insurance and the property taxes. And if you currently have a mortgage on that property, it'll be best to send us the mortgage statement so we can get your current mortgage balance. And then we'll discuss your goals. Are you trying to get income? Are you trying to get a lump sum cash? Are you trying to pay off the current mortgage and eliminate the debt to increase your cash flow? We'll go through some different scenario options, and then there's different reverse mortgage options for you. We'll present those to you, and we'll help you decide if it makes sense for you to do that now. And that's all we have to do. At that point, if we find a scenario that works for you, then we'd move on to the next step. Now, if you're doing a purchase mortgage, almost the same information. We just have to, it's slightly different. Instead of getting the mortgage or information on your current home you're trying to refinance, we just need to know the property address and the purchase price, or an estimated area in a purchase price. And then we'll get the same information, date of births of anyone going on the loan and their spouses. And then we'll need to know the cash you have to help you put down for closing costs and down payment. Then we'll be able to run some scenarios for you and help you figure out what your best option is for using a reverse mortgage to purchase a home, which will allow you to buy the home without buying it all cash, get a mortgage, but still have no payment, which totally increases your cash flow in retirement. Then we're on to step two. The second thing is, at that point, not much else I can do. I have to hand you off to reverse mortgage counseling, which is a protection for you to make sure that you understand the loan product, your options, what you're getting into. Once you complete your counseling, you get a certificate, then you come back to me, and at that point, we'll review the packet we gave you initially, make sure you didn't change your mind, make sure those terms work for you. We will pull your credit report at that point, make sure there's no challenges on the credit report. What we got to look for is if there's any outstanding judgments or tax liens or anything like that that could be a challenge. Once the credit's good, at that point we're going to put your loan file together. We'll disclose the documents to you. That's called the mortgage loan application. And at that point you'll sign everything. We can do that in the office. We can overnight a package to you. Or we can set it up for you to e-sign all the loan documents to make it really simple for you. And then at that point, we'll collect any documents we need, because we do have to document some income to make sure you're able to pay your homeowners and your property taxes. Now, you do have the option of rolling them into the loan, that some we'll discuss in more detail. Then at that point, once the disclosure is done, we get the documents, your file goes to underwriting. We are the lender, so Primary Residential Mortgage is a principal agent, so we do lend them. We make the underwriting decision, we do the closing, we make the loan. So there's no third party we have to go through. We're not brokering the loan, which could increase the cost to you. Once underwriting reviews the file, clears all the conditions, you get the clear to close. At that point, we will schedule your closing. If you're in Delaware, you'll have an attorney. If you're in Jersey, you have an attorney. We'll schedule with the attorney to do the settlement. If you're in PA or Maryland, we'll schedule with the title company. And at that point, you close, and then if it's a refinance, there is a 3-day wait period, and then the loan will fund. If it's a purchase, it funds that day, and then you leave with the keys. That's a pretty quick overview of the reverse mortgage loan process. The next step for you is let's get on a consultation scheduled. You can see a link to schedule on our calendar. You can certainly give the office a call, 302-703-0727. Or you can even get started online at www.PRMIloanapplication.com. Again, I'm John Thomas, licensed mortgage reverse loan officer. Would love to help you out and explore this product.